Okay, so did you practice all these things, guys? Whatever I explained. Do you have any questions, queries? Feel free and let me know. Okay, can I take it as no? Fine. Okay, yeah, fine. Thank you, guys. Now have a look. So today I'm going to discuss about what? Storage account. So what is the storage account? Anyone? Very important. As you said, right? Without storage account, there is no Azure project, guys. Okay. Yeah. So what is the storage account? Storage account is a unique namespace. Unique namespace, and it is used to store personal or application data. Note it down. Storage account is a unique namespace and it is used to store personal or application data. Okay, personal or application data. Okay, it stores structured and unstructured data. I am giving structured and unstructured. Structured data means which comes under PDF, Excel, Word, PPT, etc. etc. Unstructured data means what does it mean, guys? Anyone? Unstructured data. Anyone? Unstructured data in the sense like I can say movies, videos, okay, audio, okay. Next, what else we have?
Photos, digital photos.
Yes, exactly. Pics, okay. Also, we can say VM backup. We haven't discussed, right? VM backup. Next, DB backups. Okay, they are what? Unstructured. Okay. Okay, unstructured data. Clear, clear. Okay, yeah, next. Another here important thing is storage account which provides these four types of services. How many types? Four types of services. Okay, one is file share. Second one, blob, blob. Okay, now we used to call it as containers, guys. Earlier we used to call it as blob. Now Microsoft has changed the name to what? Containers. Okay, yeah, next. Now another thing is third. Okay, table storage. What is that? Table storage. Okay, fourth one, queue storage. What is that? Queue storage. Got it? Okay, one is file share, blob, table, queue storage. Okay, yeah, next. So your data can be distributed across the globe. Okay, I mentioned this point in demo. Do you remember, guys? Your data can be distributed across the globe in a minutes. So here we can say data redundancy. Okay, have you heard about it? Redundancy. I think you might have heard about this word while you are studying BTech or MCA. Data redundancy, infrastructure redundancy. What does it mean? What is the redundancy?
Repetition or duplicate.
Okay, can I say best example? Your resume is there. Okay, resume. Generally, what we'll do, we will keep one copy in desktop, another copy in D drive, another copy in Google Drive, another copy in Gmail. Am I right? So why we will maintain these many copies? Anyone? Usually common, right? One copy in desktop, another copy in D drive, another copy in Google Drive or Gmail. Am I right? Why we will maintain these many copies?
As a backup.
As a backup.
Okay. Can I say high availability? If you are
Yes.
in home, yeah, if you are in home, you can access your system. If you are out of station, so you'll go to internet, take the print, right? What does that mean? Making it high availability. So data redundancy in the sense how we can make our data high availability for high availability. Okay, here we can make the data for high availability in four ways, guys. One is LRS, okay, ZRS, GRS. Okay, now RAGRS, RAGRS. So it has been removed, guys. It has been deprecated recently. In place of that, Microsoft given GRS, Zone Geo Redundant Storage. Okay, Zone Geo Redundant Storage. Here, LRS in the sense local redundant storage. Okay, ZRS means Zone Redundant Storage. GRS means Geo Redundant Storage. Okay, next Zone Geo Redundant Storage. Clear? I am repeating. What is that? Data redundancy make it high availability. Okay, local redundant storage in the sense the data can be available within the data center. Okay, local. Okay, like I can say it is the low cost. Okay, your data will be available within data center. Okay, yeah, best example, local redundant storage means what is the data center? Collection of racks. What is that? Collection of rack. Okay, so you know, right? Each rack would be associated with different tar and different cables. Okay, all together are communicating through LAN and all, but your data it will maintain three copies and stored into different racks of same data set. Okay, for example, this rack is failed due to power outage or network outage or some disaster happen. Okay, then another rack is there to access the data for customers. Clear? Okay, so if entire data center is crashed, this option is not suitable for customer. Okay, so your data is low and medium hierarchy. So that case, you people can go for local redundant storage. Okay, if you want make the data other region as well, then we can go for zone redundant storage. What is that? Zone redundant storage. Okay, yeah, so it will make three copies of your data. How many copies? Three copies of your data and distributed into three data centers. Three data centers in the region. Okay, you know, right? In India, we have three data centers. Am I right? One is in, come on. Chennai. Yeah, Chennai, Mumbai, Pune. Got it? Chennai, Mumbai, Pune. So your data would be stored one copy in Mumbai, another copy in Chennai, another copy in Pune. For example, if this data center is crashed, so remaining two data center is there. From there, you people can access the data. So even though if there are any failures happen in data center level, your data will be available for 24/7 to access. Got it? So this is about what? Zone redundant storage. Most of the people will go for zone redundant storage, guys. Okay, geo redundant storage means actually both are same. Okay, but bit change geo and RAGRS and all. So it will maintain 6 copies of your data. Okay, 6 copies of your data. Okay, next 3 copies within the region, 3 copies within the region. Okay, remaining 3 copies are what? Outside of the region. Okay, best example. Let me drag the diagram. See, this is the India region. This is US and Singapore region. In India, we have 3 data centers. Okay, 3 copies will be stored within the data within the region. Remaining 3 copies. One is in Singapore, another one is US, another one is what? Some Malaysia region. Okay, so all data centers, entire country, data centers are crashed. Okay, then your data is available to access from other region as well. This is what geo readiness storage. Okay, best example I can say there is a Russia and Ukraine war is there, right? So Russia, what they did now using those rockets and all, they collapsed few data centers. Okay, in that case, you are the big organization in the country. Your data should be available for clients at any cost. In that case, when you go for this option, we will go to what? Your data will be available and accessible from other region as well. So internally, Microsoft will sync other region data. Okay, other region data. Clear? So that case, when there is a war, your organization full popular and your customers are there around the world. So the data should be accessible from anywhere. Then we will go for geo readiness storage, guys. Okay, internally, Microsoft will take care about it, how to sync the data with other region data centers. Okay, yeah, so in Microsoft, there are another data center in Hyderabad that is in Shad Nagar. Okay, they are establishing. It is about to end, maybe by 2025, the data center will be in live, guys. So Hyderabad data center, this is the second largest data center in Asian region. Okay, this is very big data center. Got it? Yeah, next. This is about what? How to make your data available using storage account. Okay, yeah, so this is about what? Overview of storage account. I am saying unique name. Unique name means unique namespace. Your mobile number is unique. Am I right? Yes or no? Same number cannot be used by other people for entire country, right? Same way, here your namespace should be unique for entire globe, guys. Globe. Got it? Okay, this is about what? Storage account. I am repeating, what is the storage account? Storage account is a unique namespace and it is used to store personal or application data. And it's also stores structured or unstructured data, guys. Unstructured data. Okay, unstructured data in the sense, as I said, videos, audios, okay, VM backups, okay, database backups, they are comes under unstructured data. Okay, so here one storage account you can store, okay, 500 TB data is by default. I am giving by default size 500 TB. Okay, you can go for petabyte of data. Okay, if you want, based on subscription, they will allocate the space. Okay, if you need more space and all, like petabyte of data, yes, they will allocate it. Okay.
Sir, can you explain last redundancy? Fourth number means
Yeah,
this.
same. Both 3 and 4 are same, but read means from secondary region you can read the data.
Okay, means right we
But
cannot
writing
do.
is not possible. Okay, right? Generally, your data is here. Microsoft syncing with another data center, right? If this thing is gone from here, you can read the data. That is what last option it is saying from third party. Sorry, from
Okay,
third party regions.
means
Okay.
we can copy our data at least.
Yes, that's it. Okay, only read option, guys. That's what. Earlier it was there. Now they have removed. I will show you guys. It is there in portal. Just 1 month back, they have removed this option. So again, I'm telling, without storage account, there is no project in Azure, guys. This is one of the pillar of Microsoft Azure. Okay, from now, whatever the topic I am going to use, storage account would be map. Okay, yeah. So now, go to your Azure portal. In left side, there is a one option called storage account. See, guys, it is giving some information. Always, I will try to use this one. Okay, guys, what is that? Create a storage account to store 500 TB of data in cloud. Okay, generally use general purpose storage object to store the object data, structured or unstructured data. Okay, so this is what table storage. So this point, use no SQL data store. Okay, define and use queries messages processing. Clear? Yeah. Next, also set up a file share to share the data across the cloud. Okay, for example, I have maintained my application or personal data in cloud that I can share with, what is that, my colleagues or my friends around the world. Okay, yeah. Next, now other thing is, this is what, blob. Okay, I can say containers now. Okay, use blob storage to store, what is that, different type of data, structured data, unstructured data. Okay, you know, right now data can be categorized into two parts. How many parts? Two parts. Okay, one is, come on, one is pool tile, other one is hard tile. Pool tile and hard tile. Okay, so in storage account, I have seen around 10 petabyte data, guys. 10 petabyte data. Okay, yeah. Next, one is pool tile means hard tile. Let us discuss about hard tile. హాట్గా ఉంటుంది అనమాట. Okay, hard tile in the sense, always your data in the world categorized into two parts nowadays. One is hard tile, other one is what, cool tile. Hard tile in the sense frequently accessed data. Accessed data. The data which is available in the cloud, which is accessible frequently, that we will collect as hard tile. Okay, cool tile in the sense infrequently accessed data. Infrequently accessed data. Okay, clear? I am repeating. What is that? Frequently accessed data. Other one is what? Infrequently accessed data. Okay. Got it? Yeah. Next. Now, look at my screen. Go ahead and create storage account. So as usual, I am using .NET-RG is the resource group. What is the subscription? Resource group. What is the resource group? Collection of resources. Now I am going to create another resource called storage. As he said, storage account is a unique namespace. Okay. See, when I click on move cursor, copy this info, paste it. Okay. The name must be unique across the world, guys. Across the world. So if I give my storage, immediately it is throwing an error. My storage is already taken by someone in the world. I am giving my TCS storage. Okay, since it is accepting, we'll check. Okay, or I can say my storage year 2023. See, my storage 2023 also taken by someone. I am giving month. Today is December, right? Okay, December 1st. So even I am giving my storage year and month. It has taken 01. Today is December 1st. Yeah, see guys, I am giving my storage and the 2023 is the year and the 12th month, December 1st I have given. So it is accepting that name. Okay, yeah, or else try to verify another name. Wipro storage. See, Wipro storage taken by someone. Wipro storage 2023. Yeah, it is available. Like that, the name should be unique in the globe. Okay, yeah. See, now I am giving my storage 2023, the 12th month 01. Today timestamp I have provided. Okay, region where you would like to deploy it in East US. Okay, yeah. Here I said right. These are the things, guys. Local data in storage. Okay, zone readiness storage, second one. Third one, geo readiness storage. Okay, fourth one, geo zone readiness storage. Fourth one. Okay, so here only it is giving some basic info, read it out. It is the low cost with basic protection against of server rack, drive failures, network outage, power outage. Okay, recommended for non-critical scenarios. Your data not that much. What is that accessible? Not that much. What is that secure required and all. Happily you can go for local readiness storage. Maximum you'll go for local only. Okay, geo means forget about geo. We will see later. Now zone in the sense immediate option of LRS. Okay, if there are any data center level failures, recommended high availability scenarios, you can go for zone readiness storage. So maximum will go for this one. Okay, geo readiness means, see, this is immediate option of failover data centers. So one data center is failed, anyhow your data will be synchronizing with the secondary region. Okay, from secondary region you'll able to access the data. Okay, this is the recommended for backup kind of scenarios. Okay, geo readiness means optimal data protection solution that include offering both GRS and ZRS. Okay, recommended for critical data scenarios. Okay, critical data scenarios. Yeah. Okay, yeah. So this is about what? Uh, redundancy. What is that? Data redundancy. See, guys. It is they are certified and interview questions. How we can grab that information after you. Okay, now see, the data in your storage account is always replicated to ensure data durability and high availability. Okay, data durability and high availability. Clear? Choose replication strategy that matches for your durability requirement. Choose whatever the replication or redundancy for your requirement. Okay, yeah, some settings cannot be changed after storage account is created. Okay, for example, you have created storage account with GRS. Okay, now I want LRS, means it not possible. If LRS to ZRS and ZRS to GRS, that is possible. There is be some hierarchy. That is what they have mentioned the point. Okay, yeah, next. Now I am choosing LRS, fine. Okay, my data should be within the data center. Next, see guys, your data is there in storage account. That is well and good. How we can access it? One, developer should access. Second one, administrator should access. Third one, and client should access. Okay, so developers to access and manipulate it, then we will go and use REST API. What is that? REST API. REST means representational state transfer. Okay, representational state transfer. Okay, yeah, next. How we can access the data? See, you are my colleague. I can't share with you everything, right? There would be some restriction. Okay, you should access the data by putting key. Okay, key in the sense, they will provide some hard coded key, encrypted key. Got it? Okay. How we are changing the key for your mobile, right? Something where some people will provide fingerprint, some people will use some passcode, some people will use some what is that? Something different settings. So what does it mean? There would be some restricted data in your mobile. Same way, okay, to access the data from outside customers, we will put some locks. So when they put the locks, only specific data can be accessible. Okay, that is what access keys, right? Yeah, so your data can be accessed by developers to manipulate the data using REST API. And as a customers, I can access the data with high secure, and I can perform monitor purpose as a Azure administrator. I'm able to access entire data. Okay, best example, right? Amazon Prime. Amazon Prime is there. Initially 30 days, they are giving free. You can watch the movies. 31st day itself, they will ask you to subscribe for Azure Prime, Azure Amazon Prime. Am I right? Yes or no, guys? 30 days only free, right? They are providing.
Yeah.
Yeah, 31st day, they will ask you to pay the amount. Then with the same credentials, you can access other movies, music, and all. Same way, you can restrict the data. Okay, according to client requirement, we can provide the access. Okay, yeah. Next, networking. Anyhow, this is how we can access the data. Okay, so internally, uh, data can be available for all public, but it is secured. Within the corporate network, I can access. Okay, within the corporate network, so that data can be accessed within the network itself. Best example, multiple people, many people will confusion here. I am using copilot.microsoft.com. Generally, I am using my account, dhanshekar@outlook.com. Okay, same Copilot is, as I said, it is license. If it is implemented by your organization, you can access Copilot site with, what is that? Your name at the rate of tcs.com, your name at the rate of pwc.com, your name at the rate of wipro.com. So what does it mean? After accessing this site with your organization account, I can data would be restricted. Whatever the data is there within your organization, that can be accessed. Okay, it is saying, see, I don't understand something. Okay, you can type anything. So whatever you are typing here, that is tag, guys, in organization. Keep it in your mind. Don't type what is that? Different, unacceptable words and all. Even don't try to do that. Okay, everything is you are under monitoring. That's it. Okay, if you want, have a separate account outside. Write out whatever you want. It is saying, say, hey, I am doing well. Thank you for asking. How I can assist you today? So I can suggest you use same keywords when you are working with your clients, right? That will be really helpful. Okay. See how politely it is giving the answer. I am doing well. Hey, thank you for asking. How may I assist you today? Like that. Okay, that is IT industry respect. Okay, fine. Now, same way, see, this data can be accessible outside of the world or within the network. Same, guys. Okay, I shown you best example, right? This is the way. Your data can be accessed within the network or outside of the network. You can put some restrictions over there. Okay, yeah, next. Now I want to access the data from outside of the world as well. Now, data protection. See, for example, someone deleted accidentally the data. How we can access? Soft delete, guys. This feature is new. Just 6 months back, Microsoft was introduced. Best example in my desktop. See, I have deleted 3 documents. How will I able to restore it, guys? Any idea? I deleted 3 documents, right? How can I delete it? How I am able to restore it?
From the recycle
From
bin.
Yeah,
recycle bin.
recycle bin. Okay, can I say it is a soft delete? Recycle bin by default maximum it will maintain 30 days data. Am I right? 31st day, old files, whatever the old files are there from first date, they will get deleted automatically, archive the files. Same way, if accidentally someone delete the data, that can be restored within 7 days. They have mentioned. Okay, one is what is that? Blob. Other one is what? Containers and file share. Clear? Yeah. If you want, you can enable it, or else if you don't want, you can disable it. No worries. Okay. Yeah. Next settings. See guys, this is the encryption. By default in Azure, your data is encrypted. That's it. Okay, so protection is nowadays big challenge, right? So your data is there in Azure data center. They are maintaining the what is that, security for different level. Data level, they have mentioned data encryption. Networking level, even networking level, they are encrypting, guys. That is the new terminology into the market. Okay, very soon that will be imposed. Even network is going to be encrypted very soon. Okay, next, uh, gateway level. Gateway level, they can encrypt the data. Okay, and there are different levels they are maintaining the security. Okay, to hack or to track, the hacker should do all these things. Even though hackers are reaching to your data, immediately Microsoft will shut down that rack. The data will be moved to another rack. From there you can access it. Okay, so hacking is impossible, okay, when you keep the data in Azure. For example, you are running hospitalization, hospital. So you are maintaining all your patient data. Okay, you are using Azure. By chance, someone hacked my data, your hospital data, then Microsoft will pay you 3 times. For example, you lost the 2000 cores. Okay, they will pay you like 6000 cores. Okay, that kind of security they are providing. Okay, no, uh, if our hackers are more, what is that, smarter and all, they will also some use, what is that, something else. Okay, if you are able to track, no, directly Microsoft will use it for different purpose. They will hire you. That is how market. Okay, nothing else, you know, right? I think last year December, yeah, exactly, last year December, Delhi Ames data hacked by two software engineers. Do you know that information?
Yes, sir.
Delhi Ames data. Okay, so they demand for 200 crores. After that, not sure what happened. Finally, they caught by polices and send them to jail. After that, what happened? We don't know. Okay, yeah. So now this is about what? Encryption data. Next, tags. Already we discussed about tags. What is the tags? It is name, value, page, which will give the information about resource. Okay, I do not want maintain it on review plus create it. In progress, initializing the deployment. Okay, yeah, so it is accepted, created. Okay, deployment is done. Okay, this is about what? Storage account. Okay, yeah. So see guys, here clearly it is giving the information, resource group, location, subscription ID, disk state is available, and the performance standard, replication, LRS, account kind, and the provisioning state succeeded. When did I create this one? December 1st. Okay. Yeah, as you said, there are 4 types of services: container, file share, queue, table storage. Okay, we will explain it one by one from next session. Okay.
Sir, tomorrow we have class.
Tomorrow no session, guys. From Monday, I will take the session. Next session would be on Monday.
Okay, sir.
So next weekend we'll plan to take session, guys. Okay.
Sir, this is Kamruddin, sir.
Yeah.
Sir, actually, I joined August month batch, 9 p.m. or 10 p.m. batch, sir. Okay, I taken the break. Okay.
Okay.
And the payments also. Okay. I
Okay.
joined yesterday when I joined this class, sir.
Okay.
Just
Okay.
now I share the access also, video classes.
Okay, sure. I will inform to Durgasad people. I do not have any control on videos and access. I will inform them. Yeah, you can join these classes. No worries, guys. From my end.
Thanks, sir. Thanks for support.
Okay, thank you everyone. Bye. Have a great day. Happy weekend. Take care.
Happy
Thank
weekend,
you.
sir. Thank you.
क्या मत पूरी इतना जल्दी कार्ड